Hey guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This was very unexpected because my brother got the mail when I was gonna get the mail, and I saw the Amazon package in which I ordered, and then I saw another envelope that was this color, and I'm like, who is that? It can't be for my brother. And I turned it around and it said Domenica on the top, and I'm like, okay, now I see Domenica is playing some games that I'm not playing. Oh my god! So I'm gonna have to open this because I'm excited. I went out shopping for like an hour and a half, and I'm like, I really wonder what is in here. So I'm home. I can figure out what's in here, and I can be content with myself. I've actually found my knife. It was under nothing, and I'm just like, wow, it was there the whole time. So in case I need it, it'll be right here assisting me today. I was thinking about whether I should surprise her with a package, but I'm like, you know what, maybe I should just spare her for Halloween because, you know, I love her enough. But you know what, love isn't there anymore. But yeah, so I'm trying to get it open without using my knife. All right, I got it open. Is there a note here somewhere? Yep, there is a note. I just found it. Yay. So it says note. All right, it says, hello, Nyrel, happy Halloween. I know it's a bit late, but I couldn't send this out to the day of Halloween. But here you go. I hope I didn't spook you too bad with this package. Oh, you didn't spook me. I totally was like, what? Like, Domenica? But thank you so much for the note. I will try to get you back with another package. I will not tell you when I send it. So it's going to be surprising. So just expect something in the near future. But yay. So let me take all this stuff out because Domenica is like really nice with wrapping all of her stuff with numbers. So it's not a surprise. All right. So here is number one, and I love that she made the packaging yellow because yellow is literally my favorite color. So I'm happy. So this is the first one. I'm gonna move this over. So it states a fluffy. Oh my gosh. Okay, a fluffy omega and a handsome alpha. Ooh, I think I know what this is, and it says Prince. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. I'm gonna use my knife just to open it because I don't want to ruin it too bad. Okay, so we're gonna do this. All right, let's go. I swear I think these X-Acto knives make the process a lot longer than it really should be. All right. Ooh. Okay. All right. I like how Domenica's like, yeah, Narelle, you put me through so much pain with all the tape, so I'm going to put you through the same pain with all the tape. So here it is. And I'm going to move all this stuff out the way. So, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a flip. She's like, I'm not going to let you see it this time. All right, so I'm going to open it up. So, I'm going to flip it this way. All right. Okay. So, all right. So now I can do a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. Okay. Oh, it's the honeys. Come on, phone. Focus for me. It's the honey. This is Mika. Oh, she just did a video showing me. Oh, okay, so in a live stream, me and Insane Destruction pretty much was like, Domenica, you need to make Omegaverse characters. And she's like, all right, I'll make them. And this is the alpha. So pretty. He's so gorgeous. This is so... I love him. And the one under him is a Cortez Omega Fua, which means fluffy in Japanese. Oh! I'm so excited. I'm legit the most excited I could ever be. Oh my gosh, my honeys. I might have to put them in my bigger binder because I think they're too big for my smaller one. But and now we're gonna move on to the last one, which says Art 2. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands for this one because, again, I think the knife makes it a little bit longer than it should be. So we're gonna remove all of this lovely wrapping paper that I would try to save because I literally want to save this because it's yellow and it's beautiful. All right, and I'm doing a horrible job trying to save this wrapping paper. So moving this out the way. Was there a note at the top? Okay, no, there was a note. All right, so and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a go. She got me this. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay, we're gonna move this up. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna take the first one out and then flip it because I don't want to be ruined for the other one. So 1, 2, 3, go. All right. Okay, and again, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's Domenica and Alec. Look at the babies. Even though me and Alec have like a love-hate relationship right now, because this is my wife forever, but I do respect that he is cute with her. They are OTP. Look at them. I don't know why, but I really love Alec's face, and I don't know, everything about Alec is I don't know what it is about him, but I really love his aura going on. I really love it. All right. Okay. Stop getting stuck. Okay. So we're going to pull another one out. So 1, 2, 3, go. All right. And 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. It's okay. Look at my honeys. This is Haseo and Kudo. I shipped these two to the earth and back. I was not thinking I was going to get this. It's so cute. Look at my Honey Bunches of Oats. He's so grumpy, but he's so cute at the same time. And look at this cutie. Oh, I treasure every one of these. These can fit in my smaller binders. So thank you so much, Domenica, for sending me all of this lovely art. I'm trying to get my binder, man. Come on, Night Rail. Work. But thank you so much for all the lovely art, too. I love all of it. I'm going to show you me putting it in my binder because, you know, it has to go behind Haiji because, ooh, he's lovely. So we're going to put these in here. Alrighty, so that's them in their plastics, and so thank you so much, Domenica, for all the lovely art and the beautiful note that I will keep because I keep all of my letters I get from my friends. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you guys like this video. A link down below will be to Domenica's channel. Go check her out and her Instagrams because she does have a lot of cute and a lot of adorable OCs that you just fall in love with as soon as you see them because they're precious and I love them. So please go check her out. And so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Okay, bye-bye.